Learning new words is one of the best ways to improve your English. Below are 50 common and useful English words with clear explanations and easy examples. 1. Abundant, meaning a large quantity, more than enough. Example: the garden is abundant with fresh flowers. 2. Accurate, meaning correct, without mistakes. Example: the answer was accurate and clear. 3. Adapt, meaning to change in order to fit new conditions. Example: you must adapt quickly when living in a new country. 4. Ambition, meaning a strong desire to achieve something. Example: her ambition is to become a doctor. 5. Ancient, meaning very old, from the past. Example: we visited an ancient castle last summer. 6. Benefit, meaning something that helps or is useful. Example: exercise has many health benefits. 7. Brilliant, meaning very bright, clever, or excellent. Example: he had a brilliant idea for the project. 8. Calm, meaning peaceful, without stress. Example: the lake was calm in the morning. 9. Challenge, meaning a difficult task or problem. Example: learning English is a challenge, but it is worth it. 10. Comfortable, meaning giving ease, not causing pain. Example: this chair is very comfortable. 11. Curious, meaning wanting to know or learn something. Example: the child was curious about the stars. 12. Decision, meaning a choice made after thinking. Example: it was a hard decision to move abroad. 13. Delightful, meaning very pleasing, enjoyable. Example: we had a delightful dinner together. 14. Dependable, meaning can be trusted, reliable. Example: she is a dependable friend. 15. Determined, meaning strongly decided to do something. Example: he is determined to finish the race. 16. Discover, meaning to find something new. Example: they discovered gold in the mountains. 17. Elegant, meaning graceful, stylish, and beautiful. Example: she wore an elegant black dress. 18. Energy, meaning power and strength to do things. Example: children have a lot of energy. 19. Enthusiastic, meaning showing strong excitement or interest. Example: the students were enthusiastic about the trip. 20. Essential, meaning very important, necessary. Example: water is essential for life.